Iron Kinetics, the Madripoor robotics upstart and their 25th Circuit Avenue stronghold. In the heart of Robowood City, Madripoor's thriving tech district, a new robotics company has emerged to disrupt the industry, Iron Kinetics. Known for its groundbreaking AI-driven exoskeletons and next-gen drone technologies, Iron Kinetics has rapidly become the talk of the tech world. Led by a group of renegade engineers and visionary coders, this startup is dedicated to turning audacious ideas into cutting-edge technology. After months of fierce competition and intense negotiations, Iron Kinetics secured the perfect headquarters at 25th Circuit Avenue, Robowood City, California. The property, 100% occupied, boasts a net operating income, NOI, of $1,056,000, making it a highly profitable investment. With a 10% cap rate and an effective gross income, of $1,650,000, the property is already showing strong financial performance. Iron Kinetics also secured a debt service coverage ratio, DSCR, of 1.3, indicating a healthy ability to meet debt obligations. The company's new headquarters has a loan-to-value ratio, LTV, of 70%, demonstrating a solid financial structure. The building's occupancy rate is at 100%, with 5 leases expiring in 2025 and a majority of leases expiring in 2028. The market rent for the area is $50 per square foot, while the in-place rent for Iron Kinetics is slightly lower at $48 per square foot. A high-stakes deal. One rainy evening in Madripoor, the founders of Iron Kinetics gathered with their financial backers at the Brass Dynamo, the city's exclusive rooftop bar. When you're competing for prime real estate in Robowood City, you need more than just a sharp picture, you need the right environment to seal the deal. The founders had their sights set on 25th Circuit Avenue, a fortress-like property perfect for their expanding needs. The building offered expansive labs, towering ceilings ideal for drone testing, and secure zones crucial for their classified AI projects. But Iron Kinetics wasn't the only contender. A rival syndicate from the nearby tech hub Zero Space Solutions had made a strong bid on the property. As Zero Space's representatives arrived unannounced at the Brass Dynamo, tension in the air became palpable. The stakes were high. This deal could determine who would dominate the future of autonomous robotics in Madripoor. Iron Kinetics lead engineer, Echo Chen, known for her fearless negotiation skills and unshakable composure, took the reins. With confidence, she leaned into the conversation and declared, "This building isn't just a headquarters. It's where the future of robotics will unfold." To solidify her claim, Echo unveiled a preview of the Ember Core, a miniaturized, self-learning AI capable of performing complex physical tasks autonomously. The demonstration left Zero Space's team speechless. Realizing they were up against a technological powerhouse, they backed off, and Iron Kinetics sealed the deal. The grand opening and the first test. 1 month later, Iron Kinetics celebrated the grand opening of their new headquarters on 25th Circuit Avenue. The team gathered in the gleaming new facility, excited to make their mark on the world of robotics. However, as the champagne glasses clinked, alarms blared throughout the building. Unbeknownst to them, a highly coordinated heist was underway. Masked operatives had attempted to break into the building's high-security labs to steal the Ember Core, the company's most valuable asset. Iron Kinetics was ready. Echo activated the building's top-tier security system, locking down all exits and deploying automated defenses. Surveillance drones flooded the building, scanning every corner. The intruders, caught in a web of holographic sensors and AI-controlled barriers, were quickly immobilized. The automated defense drones recorded every movement, ensuring the safety of the Ember Core and other critical systems. By dawn, the heist was foiled, and Iron Kinetics had successfully defended their technology. Their new headquarters on 25th Circuit Avenue had proven itself as a fortress, one that not only supported innovation but also embodied their resilience. A future secure and unstoppable. With their technology safe and their headquarters secure, Iron Kinetics was more confident than ever. The new stronghold in Robowood City had become a symbol of their ability to protect what they had built and a stepping stone for the future of autonomous robotics. Iron Kinetics' reputation soared as they proved that they could not only innovate but also defend their creations from the fiercest of competitors. As they continued to develop world-changing technologies, Iron Kinetics is ready to take on the future no matter how high the stakes. 25th Circuit Avenue has become the epicenter of innovation, and Madripoor will soon recognize Iron Kinetics as the unstoppable force driving the next wave of technological evolution.